Podia Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're going to review the Podia Affiliate Program, a great way to earn commissions by promoting a powerful platform for creators to sell online courses, memberships, and digital downloads. Links to Podia's products are in the description below, so check those out if you're interested. Podia is an all-in-one platform that simplifies the process of creating and selling digital products. It's made for creators, coaches, educators, and entrepreneurs looking to monetize their knowledge and skills with minimal technical effort. The platform offers course creation tools, email marketing, webinars, and membership features, all integrated into one seamless dashboard, making it incredibly easy for creators to manage and scale their businesses. The Podia Affiliate Program offers affiliates a 30% recurring commission for each customer referred. This means once a customer subscribes to Podia, you'll continue earning commissions every month they remain a paying customer. This makes it a great long-term income opportunity for anyone with an audience in the education, coaching, or digital product space. Podia also gives affiliates access to a range of marketing materials like banners, email templates, and promo links, helping you get started promoting with ease. The affiliate dashboard is user-friendly and provides real-time tracking, so you can see exactly how your campaigns are performing. One of the standout features of Podia's affiliate program is its 45-day cookie window, which gives affiliates a longer time frame to earn commissions after someone clicks your link. This increases the likelihood of conversions, especially if your audience is still deciding on whether to use Podia. Podia's easy payout system also ensures that affiliates are paid reliably on a monthly basis, which is ideal for building steady passive income. Overall, if you're an affiliate marketer targeting creators or entrepreneurs, the Podia Affiliate Program is definitely worth considering. It offers a solid commission structure, reliable tracking, and excellent tools for promoting an excellent platform. If you're looking to monetize your audience, be sure to check out the links in the description and get started today.